Today, we are looking at a couple of smart light bulbs from Meross, the MSL 120 kit. The reason I mention that this is a couple because the light bulb comes in a pack of two. Apart from one other brand that I have reviewed, which is the one from Moose, this is another affordable option for consumers who wants to get into the entire smart light or smart home scene. First of all, a big thank you to Meross for sending me this dual pack. Although I got these bulbs for free, Meross has got no say in this video review, so everything that is being mentioned in this video comes straight from my own thoughts and opinions. Right from the get-go, installing the smart bulb is super simple. You just have to make sure that the lamp or the light stand that you would want to use the bulb for has a base size of either E22, E26 or E27. On the website, these are the only base sizes that the bulbs come in. However, you can use an adapter which can convert these base sizes to the current lamp or lights that you are using, similar to what I am using for this desk light. What I also like is that they have an integration with Apple HomeKit, and if you have the Apple HomeKit ecosystem already set up, installing and configuring this smart bulb is going to be breezy. As an iPhone user, I welcome this process because after the setup and configuration, the controls appear on my control center on the iPhone. This is awesome because I do not have to go into the app to do any sort of adjustments. I just have to swipe down and adjust the lights from the control center. But as a side note, although configuring this via the Meross app and controlling it does not require any hub, controlling it via Apple HomeKit requires the entire HomeKit to be set up, which means you either need to have the Apple TV or the HomePod. The other thing I love is the pricing. A dual pack costs $26 currently, and that's really awesome and affordable. The interface is simple and nice too. Adjusting brightness and changing the color is seamless as well. If you're already familiar with smart lights or smart home interfaces, this will put you right at home. There are essentially three color schemes that you can choose: daylight white, warm, or the RGB colors you can select. You can also integrate the Meross smart light bulb with the familiar Google Home or Alexa and even Samsung SmartThings. But just out of curiosity, do any of you use Samsung SmartThings? Let me know in the comment section down below. Because of the integration with Alexa or Google Home, you can voice command for the controls. At the end, I think this is another win for consumers looking for affordable, quality smart light bulbs. I for sure will consider this heavily as 2024 is my home building project. Yes, I will be receiving a brand new home very soon, and I will be always on the hunt for good, smart, affordable and good quality options similar to what Meross has to offer. Where to purchase this? You can find everything, all the details, the links in the description box down below. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I really do hope you enjoyed this one. If you do, hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button to be notified whenever I upload new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!